Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how you can show hidden system files on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your file manager on your Android phone. Then you're going to select either internal storage or SD card. And for example, I'm going to open my hidden system files on my internal storage. So I'm tapping on the internal storage right here. Okay, and after that we can tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can tap on the settings option, and on the settings option we can click on show hidden system files right here. Tap on this toggle button, and now let's just go back to the previous section, and I'm going to show you the hidden system file, this one. So now the hidden system files have appeared on our file manager. Alright guys, and that's how we can show hidden system files on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.